Hey guys, my name is Harsh Verma. So let's get started from here. You saw some people reading some charts, graphs, and moving bars and taking decisions to invest worth millions in companies. So you searched on the net, you landed here for a term known as technical analysis. Let me tell you, you are at the right place.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Kumar. Thank you for joining us here all. For the next 5 minutes we'll be taking you through a video which consists of two parts. The first part which contains about introduction about technical analysis and the second part which tells us about CMT organization. So let's get ahead with the first part of the video. So what do you think what is happening here in this video? As it seems someone is trying to study the charts, and in layman terms this is what technical analysis is. Technical analysis helps traders and investors navigate the gap between intrinsic value and market value through a disciplined, systematic approach to analyze market behavior. In short, it seeks to predict price movements by examining charts while studying historical data, which are price and volume. Now, there are some basic assumptions we need to consider before dealing with technical analysis. Also, there are some set of tools. Moving to the part of assumptions, the first one tells the supply and demand determine the price. Second one is prices are non-random. Third one tells that prices discount everything. Now what does this mean? The technician believes that anything that can possibly affect the price fundamentally, politically, psychologically or otherwise is actually reflected in the price of that market. Fourth assumption is history repeats itself, and the fifth one is emotional feedback loop. Moving to the part of tool, the first tool is trends. Trend is an overall direction of a market or an asset price. And the second is support, which means that something that prevents the price from falling further. Resistance is something which stops the price from rising further. And the rest of the tools are entry signals and patterns. Moving ahead, how it is different. How it is different from fundamental analysis and how it makes you apart from the crowd. Fundamental analysis is basically to understand the patterns under financial performance of a company using balance sheet, income report or annual report. On the other side, technical analysis is to understand pattern under share price of the chart. Second point, fundamental analysis is used for the purpose of analyzing the basics of a company, while on the other hand, technical analysis focuses on analysis of data pertaining to price and volume. Third point, fundamental analysis focuses both on past and present data of the company, whereas technical analysis focuses only on the past data to predict the future outcome. You can incorporate technical analysis across the board without knowing the fundamentals, but if you incorporate fundamentals in your analysis, you can't just live without the technicals.
We have seen how technical analysis is gaining importance in various fields of profession. This is where CMT Association comes to rescue. CMT Association was created with the vision to help people improve their investment decisions and generate more career options by extending its services through educating, building ethics, and co creating a professional network of like minded people utilizing the price patterns and market statistics. So, what started as a small group of sell side analysts on Wall Street is now a global association of over 4,500 members worldwide. The CMT Association began in New York in the 1970s as an informal meeting of a group of technical analysts. Ralph Akempora, John Brooks, and John Greeley are credited as the founders. The original 18 members incorporated the CMT Association as a not for profit association in 1973. In 2005, the Financial Acquisition Online.com industry regulatory authority submitted a rule filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission to accept the CMT program level 1 and 2 exams as an alternative to the Series 86 examination required of financial analyst. Let's have a glance at the numbers. CMT has its presence in 137 countries globally with 36 internationally active chapters and more than 35K participants in its program annually. The CMT Association provides a chartered market technician program for the individuals who are seeking opportunities in financial industry and have an interest in developing skills for better investment decisions. The core knowledge domains that we will gain from the program is in the field of risk management, quantitative systems development, portfolio management, and applied behavioral finance. The CMT Chartered Market Technician program is conducted over three levels. CMT Level 1 focuses on basic knowledge of terminology and analytical tools used in technical analysis. In Level 2, you will learn measuring the competency in the application of concepts, theory, and techniques covered by the required readings. In the Level 3, you will gaining more understanding of the concepts identified in Level 1 with the practical application learned in Level 2.